The trick that made my life easy. Put the chicken liver in the bag. Pour water into the bag. Put in the microwave for 3 minutes. Cut the chicken liver into pieces. Add flour. Break the eggs. Season with salt and black pepper. Add chopped green onions. Chop an onion finely. Fry the onion. Grate a carrot. Put the carrot in the pan. Add a finely chopped bell pepper. And a grated zucchini. Season the vegetables with salt and black pepper. Put the cooked vegetables in the bowl with the eggs. Mix all the ingredients. Pour the mixture into the pan. Level the surface. Fry for 15 minutes. Put the yolks in the blender. Add finely chopped chili pepper, garlic, mustard, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Grind until smooth. Grate the cheese. Sprinkle the entire surface with grated cheese. Fry for another 3 minutes.